Hey guys, how are you today? So excited, as you can tell from the title of this video. My Tribe Beauty Box for the month of February is here. Now, if you don't know what Tribe Beauty Box is, it is a bi-monthly subscription service. So you will receive and pay every other month for your box. So it's not an every month thing. I will leave all of the information in the description box below for this fantastic subscription service, as well as a link for my December video, which will be right here for you, so you can check that out. And I do give a little bit more information there, but be sure to like and subscribe if you'd like to keep seeing more of me. I'm excited to open this. I have not opened it yet, and I know there's some variations for products, so no more waiting. Let's get going. As always, there's their handle if you want to go check them out on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, all that good stuff. I really love the box. I think it's beautiful. It's so cute. And of course, it's always wrapped in really pretty tissue paper. Dun 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 dun! There is our subscription box coupon code. I will leave that in the description for you as well. Little card that has everything in there. First thing is first. This is just sitting right up on top, begging to be opened. It's the Huda Beauty Lip Strobe. I'm so freaking excited about this. I have not owned a Huda Beauty anything at all. Oh my god. I just threw it on accident. It came flying out of the box. Whew, good thing I'm on carpet. This is gorgeous. This is in the color Ritzy. This is this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful gold color. It's so beautiful. It's this gorgeous gold color. I mean, it's gonna be super pretty on the lips. So this is a lip topper. This is not something I would probably use as an all-over lip gloss. It's just there to enhance the lip color that you already have. You know, just kind of bring a highlight to the center of your lips. So this will last forever for me. And I'm really excited to try out my first Huda Beauty product. So awesome for the first thing to get in this month's Tribe Beauty Box. So this was one of the variation items. It was a NARS product. I got the blush in the color Gina. This is freaking gorgeous. Oh my god, it's so pretty. It's like this really pretty light pinky peach color. I've never had a NARS blush before, so I'm interested. So it's a really pretty, like, subtle blush color, which is what I enjoy. Subtle blushes are my jam, so I'm super excited about this. I have never owned a NARS blush before, so this will be a first for me. So a first Huda Beauty, first NARS blush. This may be the very first product I own from NARS. 2 for 2. I'm impressed so far. I'm dropping shit everywhere, man. Next product. So this is the Cargo Texas Lash Mascara. I've never owned anything from Cargo before either. So that's 3 companies I haven't really tried. And that's exactly why I sign up for subscription boxes. There are things that I just don't think of getting, or, you know, too expensive for a single product. So getting a beauty box that has stuff like this in there, it's phenomenal. And this is exactly why I get beauty boxes. So I'm super, super thrilled with all of these products so far. So here's the brush for the Cargo mascara, and it is a big boy. I have mascara on right now. There's like a piece of cardboard in here. Weird. I have mascara on right now, so I'm not gonna put any on because that would just be too much mascara for my little eyes. But looks like it's gonna be good. Those brushes sometimes don't thrill me that much because I like the plasticky blush. I like the plasticky brushes that separate more than the big fibrous ones. So, but you know what? I'm not knocking it. Just because I don't like the brush doesn't mean that mascara is going to be bad, and maybe I will really enjoy this brush. I don't think I've had one this ginormous before, so good to me. Almost done, just a couple more products. So next we have a concealer brush. This is from Evelyn Iona. So the green tea primer that we got in December's box, this is the same company that makes this. Handles really nice wood. Seems like it's a super firm brush. Well, maybe not. Maybe it was just like frozen from being outside. That happens. I'd be frozen too. Okay, yeah, no, it actually seems kind of nice. I will probably not use this as a concealer brush. I don't like brushes like this for concealer, but like an under eye, like eyeliner type brush, you will hear me say this 1.5 million times over. You can never have too many brushes. You never know what shade you're going to use it for. Like this could even be a good shader brush to pack on color too. Not upset. And lastly, we have the Masquerade Anti-Blemish Patch. I've never tried a blemish patch before. Excuse me. But I've seen other people use them. I do have a few monstrous things going on. Like there's one like right here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's annoying the crap out of me. So I'm really waiting for that thing to go away. It's actually one of those that's super painful too. And I'm not a big fan. So that will be tested with these. Probably tonight. To see if I can get that stupid thing to go away. Okay, so the NARS blush retails for $30. Not bad. The anti-blemish patches, those retail for $7. So that's $28 total for those. Each one is $7. The Evelyn Iona concealer brush is $15. The Huda Beauty lip strobe. Do you hear my neighbor's dog barking? Barks all the time. The Huda Beauty lip strobe retails for $18. The Texas Lash mascara retails for $10. Okay, so we're looking at a total of about $101. I will put the exact total in the description box for you, but the rough math that I've done in my head is about $101 for all of these products, and I paid $35. Now there was shipping, so I don't include shipping in that, but if you want to, shipping is $7, I believe. So my total was $41.99 that I paid, and that was in US dollars. That is a Canadian-based company. Things do ship out from Canada, but I cannot praise the shipping enough. I mean, she shipped out on the 1st of February, or the 2nd of February, something like that. It is the 8th, and I already have it, and it came from Canada, ladies and gentlemen. Canada. So that's international shipping, and it was here within a week. That's insane to me, and I applaud her. I really enjoy this company and the community that they've built. I will put all of their information in the description box. You should definitely check them out. The box is sold out for February, so you are no longer able to get this. I mean, it sold out in January for February. That's how big they are getting quickly too. So I'll leave over the information. Make sure you sign up for their emails if you're interested in this box, because then you will get an email when they open up, buying for the next April box. They are catching subscribers quick though, and they are about to explode. You can just tell it's coming. So I'm so excited for them. So obviously you can tell my thoughts on this box. I think it's amazing. We've got a NARS product, we've got a Huda product, we've got, this again isn't necessarily the biggest sample ever, but they never said that they would for sure give full-size samples and everything. They said deluxe to full-size. The NARS is full-size. The Huda is full-size. These patches are full-size. So I'm not upset about getting one little deluxe size that will last me a while sample. Totally fine with me, and the fact that I paid $35 for this and I'm getting over $100 worth of product, it speaks volumes. This is not crap that you're getting in these boxes. This is amazing stuff. So I'm all on board for this company. I'm definitely keeping the subscription. I can handle $35 every other month. That's not a big deal. It's not that much more expensive than BoxyCharm is, if you ask me. And frankly, this is shaping up to be better than BoxyCharm. I hope it continues that way. She's able to somehow get all these huge companies interested in this, and I think that is fantastic, and she's done a great job. Alright guys, well thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of our Tribe Beauty Box for February. Leave some love for Tribe down below. Again, I will have all of the information needed for this beauty box in case you're interested. Make sure to like and subscribe before you leave to keep seeing more of me. And I hope you guys all have a fantastic night. Take care. Bye-bye.